Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Kind of a cool graphic. Don't really know what to call it, but if you'll take a screenshot of these two items, it's really easy. Taking a ellipse, not holding down the control button, just making an ellipse and hit P. Most important thing you can do. Go to Effects, Contour. I'm just going to contour to the outside 1/4 of an inch. Now I'm going to go and break the contour apart. I'm going to select the center one and I'm going to Control D and I'm going to make it 75% of the one before. And then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select the next one and then hit R to put it to the right. I'm going to Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and rotate it 90 degrees. But I need to flip it to have that part, for me anyway, to do it my way. And then I would probably suggest go ahead and group that together. Take your virtual segment delete. You can go through there, and you're done. Take your Smart Fill tool. You've got it. I'm going to nudge it up out of the way because this is a group. I can nudge it out of the way. I can nudge that back. Control D, alternate C to make it rotate from the center and rotate it 180 degrees. And you kind of get that look. There's a lot more you could do with this. It's a pretty cool little graphic. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two. Thank you for watching.